Hello and
Hi.
welcome to our craft show.
Well, part 2 of it, right?
Just for two.
We already did the
Yes,
molding.
we made these molds in another video,
I'm gonna put that down.
and yeah, I did a little ornament, a keychain, and we both did this crystal. So that is in this one.
And I did this little block keychain.
So now we're gonna pour resin in them. Okay.
You wanna just dive into it, huh?
I mean, that's the best way to learn. Okay, so we're gonna do 2 ounces. It says 2 ounces, so if we do 1 and 1, I've got B, you got A, so I'm gonna pour mine.
We got our mixing utensils.
We got these.
How's
They're
that look?
dispersion colors. I didn't actually read anything about these.
Alright, so maybe just shimmer and aquamarine.
Freaking out. Yes.
Yeah.
Pour that in there first.
This?
Yes.
Bye-bye this. That's the shimmer.
Yeah, and then I'll put some of this in there, I guess.
I wonder how much we'll actually need for that.
Probably like that much, right? Alright, now put a little... Wait, let me mix in the...
Ashima.
Ooh! Ooh!
Oh yeah, look at that.
I don't know. I'm gonna spill it. I don't know if you can see that. It's like...
It was clear before, pretty much.
It's got a shimmer! It's so
Ah.
pretty!
Cool.
I feel like... Ooh, there we go.
Wasn't me.
Well, it was me, and that's gonna get hard. Oh, that's not very much.
It's okay. Alright, well.
Well, live and learn. I guess we should put stuff down. I'm gonna add a little bit of the blue. I almost, what a rip. Ooh!
That is pretty neat.
That is pretty. At
Yeah,
least I didn't drop it looking like that color.
right. Let me see. Put it over this way. Not
Should we torch it first?
sure if that's enough.
I think it is.
Alright, I'll trust you.
Crap! Okay, let's just do it.
Let's do it. Let's find out.
Oh, perfect! That is a perfect pour! You see that?
That was good.
Dang, it's gonna look like a real crystal because it's all flat right
It
there.
looks like a delicious
Actually,
Jolly
I'm
Rancher
gonna put a
to us.
little dab on it because I don't know how. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, now we gotta torch
That's
it.
good. Is there enough is there leftover?
There's a little bit, yeah.
Never mind. I was gonna say pour it in that one, but.
I'm
there's
gonna
something
do
else.
half of this blue, I think, and like maybe the lighter blue.
Okay. So what do you want to do next?
Torch that.
Oh, you want to torch it, huh?
Torch that puppy. But be careful because it's also flammable?
Okay. Sweet. What do you think?
A little bit
Smooth?
more. Because it also brings the ones like that are down up. So technically we should have probably torched it like halfway, but that should be okay.
I think it's good.
Whatever, it's fine. Alright, put the blue in. You just need a little
Dimples.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure this is just acrylic paint. Oh wow, that's a lot.
Is it?
Oh, or you can just pour it in with them like that.
Ooh, that is kind of neat.
Mix it in.
Mix it, because I want to do a little swirly swirl. Alright, so I did the sky blue in with it, with the aquamarine. We're going to do a swirly swirl.
Ooh, that's so pretty.
Alright, so we got these two.
And then the other one is like a minty blue.
Alright, so my angle of attack, I think I'm going to actually turn this around.
I'm so excited.
Ooh, almost lost it there, Georgie. Alright, I'm going to, I think, do like a splish and then a splash. And then just use my little sewing needle here.
Do it,
and
do it, do
give it a
it.
shot. Alright. Ooh. Ooh, I got that everywhere.
Yeah. Probably do one at a time.
Splash.
Now we use these to like scoop it in. How much? Do you want more light to go in the front?
Hold on, I just want to get my little needle here
Oh yeah, there you go.
and mix it up and see what I'm actually working with.
Yeah, I think it's starting to get a little tacky.
Mhm.
You only have like 25 to 40 minutes to work with resin. A lot of people know that, I guess.
Get the torch out. And his favorite.
Okay. I kind of know what I'm gonna do. See how it moves it too?
Everything kind
That's
of bubbles
good.
out.
Yeah, should be good. So I'm gonna do dark.
Yeah, that aquamarine's really cool. I like it.
I'm gonna do the
Oh, I
same.
see what you're doing.
Shit.
Whoa, that is
Wait.
that is a generous amount right there.
Okay.
Just
wait. And
knife
then
it
I'm
off.
gonna. That's okay. That's okay.
No,
I'm
you're
doing
fine.
it just like
Yeah.
that.
No, yeah,
And then
you're
this
fine.
one, I'm gonna add this one.
We switched roles
Really?
on that one,
Really?
huh?
There you go. Oh, I have a really messy one.
I like the way yours is swirling. That's actually gonna look super dope.
I keep getting my dumb glove in there.
Yeah, these gloves are more for like my size hands, so it works.
Okay, so I'm gonna scoop that off the top again.
I mean, you could just let it be. And
Yeah.
I really like the way the blue like lightens up, you know,
Yeah.
to the clear. It looks really cool.
Just clean it up a little. Go back.
You want to torch it?
Ooh, yeah, get it started. Ooh, got my hand. Oh, Lord.
It's trying to like just be very high today.
It is super high. I don't like that.
Ooh, there you go. Pop them bubbles are good.
I'm afraid I'll set something on fire.
I think you got it.
There's something okay, but I'm kind of... Ooh.
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 Ah.
Ooh. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday, everybody. Okay, so it is not 24 hours later, but I can't wait and we should address elephant in the room.
But it's okay.
This is the elephant. I took it out yesterday.
She was impatient.
I don't know how many hours it had been, but same day. And I couldn't wait. The crystal came out really pretty. Look how pretty. I mean, you get the idea. But it's got some flaws.
Well, that's the
Yeah,
back
it did
of the
that.
floor.
It did that. I tried to overfill it so that it would kind of compensate for this, but
None of the other molds did that, so
yeah.
it's okay.
Okay, so
Do you want to do it at the same time, or do you want to do
yes,
one
let's do it
at
at the same time.
Okay. So we're gonna do it at the
Okay,
same time.
just to remember, yeah, this is.
My goodness.
Whee!
Our
We're so
Californians.
excited.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, oops. Ooh, mine's popping out nice and easy. That's a good sign.
Mine too.
Now I got my trigger, which is the tricky part.
Oh no.
What?
It didn't go all the way around.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that looks cool.
There. Ooh. See that? Alright. There, yeah. That little boo boo. It's okay though.
But they're plenty hard.
Yeah, they're nice and hard though. They
even
came
though it
out cool.
hasn't been. Right? I really wish, like, I knew how to. Like, is it ever gonna focus? Like, good? I mean, I guess.
That doesn't look.
This one, oh, this one didn't turn out perfect. Ah. Yeah, this one's bigger, so. Ooh.
Oh dang. Got that nice
Look
seafoam
how
color at
cool.
the top.
That is.
You got that little swirl in the middle.
I wish I would, like.
That little wave swirl going. It's pretty
How do
dope.
we even get it to, like. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I love it. So, imagine that hanging from your Christmas tree. What?
Word.
So, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make this a Christmas ornament for our tree.
Yeah. It's got little extra papers too. Just like that. Yeah.
Yeah, and then another little thing I did with that extra resin. I just poured it all in one cup, and then added some of it. But it looks so pretty. Look, you can see all the bubbles in that one too. Such a bummer.
It's pretty cool.
I love art. You know? I just love making things. I love being creative. Experiment and do all of this, but like my mold has a mistake, this mold has a mistake. They all have mistakes. I also want to try pouring acrylic, pigmented acrylic like this. And these are like the only colors that we have, so we're gonna do that and pour it onto a piece of wood. I mean, this is pretty good for our first time.
Yeah, not bad at all. I mean, at least we didn't crash and burn and everything actually hardened and it formed and, you know,
Yeah.
it wasn't bad.
I mean, these are like not even rookie mistakes. I mean, maybe. See you next time. Hopefully with the resin portal mistakes, because that's gonna turn out cool. I mean, you can't go wrong with that, right?
So resin and wood, I'm always that's good.
Yeah, we're gonna work on the bubbles. Work on the bubbles.
Double time.
Please.